San Francisco. Its mission: deliver effective, efficient, and quality services to the constituents and optimize utilization of its natural resources with consideration to ecological effects. Vision: the trade, commerce, ecotourism, and agri-industrial center of the province with God-centered, caring, healthy, productive, and self-sustaining communities living in a secured environment. San Francisco is centrally located on the eastern part of Agusan del Sur. It is bounded on the north by the capital town of Prosperidad, on the south by the municipality of Rosario, on the east by Surigao del Sur, and on west by the municipality of Talacogon. The municipality of San Francisco is the seat of major economic activities and the leading palm oil producer of the province, as well as a melting pot for commerce, trade, and industry to Region 11 and the Caraga region, particularly Davao City, Butuan City, and Tandag, Surigao del Sur. At present, it is a progressive and active municipality under the leadership of Honorable Mayor Jenny D. Diazis.
Welcome to the beautiful town of San Francisco. It is with great pleasure that I personally welcome you all to our municipality, the home of majestic Mount Matiwata and the home of warm and eco-friendly people. San Francisco, as the center of trade and commerce of Agusan del Sur, is also endowed with rich natural resources, ecotourism sites, and human resources. As we are gearing towards total development, we are not only focused on looking at infrastructures and socio-economic development, but rather on the holistic approach of development, wherein the health of the people, cleanliness, sanitation, and the preservation of the environment are top priorities. San Francisco is a progressive and urbanized municipality. Part of this development is the challenge of having a systematic solid waste management, since we have tons of garbage to be collected per day. In spite of this challenge, together with our constant partnerships with our different non-government organizations, people's organizations, and different agencies, we are able to address problems on garbage and come up with programs promoting a clean, green, and healthy community. For the past years, we are constant winner of the Clean and Green program, both in the provincial and national level. It is with great pride as San Franciscan to have won all of this, which also serves as a challenge for all of us to maintain, and most importantly, this is a great step towards development. For development always starts with a healthy and clean community. As you stay and visit San Francisco, I urge everyone to help and take part in maintaining San Francisco the cleanest and greenest municipality in the province. On behalf of the officials and people of this town, I bid you all welcome.
Flourishing economic activities are remarkably observed within the municipality. In fact, investors, both foreign and local, kept coming in and opened new businesses in the municipality. Also a proof to the booming economy of San Francisco is the presence of several banks, rural and commercial, and other financial institutions, which cater not only the municipality of San Francisco, but adjacent municipalities and provinces as well. The center of trade and economic activities of the province of Agusan del Sur, San Francisco has facilities necessary and helpful to its constituents. It has a well-sanitized toilets that are accessible to the public and passers-by. It also has a public shopping mall, which is a one-stop shop for every San Franciscans. To address the problem on waste and environment, different activities were conducted to maintain the different areas and facilities of the municipality. These include the segregation of waste at source, cleaning of creeks and canals with the help of volunteers, groups, and organizations. Tree planting activity were also conducted through the initiative of civil society organizations and non-government organizations. One of the programs of the municipality in maintaining the clean and greening of the environment is the adoption of the national program known to us as the Gawad Pangulo sa Kapaligiran into a local version as Gawad Punong Bayan sa Kaunlaran at Nutrisyon or GPB-KN. This is a coordinated efforts of the local government with all the government agencies, public and private schools, non-government organizations, private and business sectors of the community and the general public to come up with a healthy, clean and green environment through the implementation of solid waste management, cleaning of government facilities and establishments, and bio-intensive gardening, cleaning of Center Island and other facilities. Planting of fruits, trees, vegetables, and root crops and ornamental flowering plants. The program is also participated by the 27 barangays where they are categorized into 3 relative to their strategic locations. Category A for the Poblacion barangays, Category B for the along the highway barangays, and Category C for the remote and interior barangays. The barangays were evaluated every year by the GPB-KN Task Force. Winning barangays were awarded with plaque of recognition and some cash prizes. Through this program, barangays were motivated to also do their share in the cleaning and greening activities within their communities. As part of the cleaning and greening program, the mayor on her first week of service initiated the Oplan Linis Bayan, which is participated by different public and private agencies. The municipality of San Francisco has been a consistent awardee of the Gawad Pangulo sa Kapaligiran, not only in the provincial level but also in the regional and national level as well. Now, the municipality of San Francisco under the leadership of Mayor Jenny Diazes aspires once again to win this year's quest for the cleanest and greenest municipality in the province of Agusan del Sur. With the cooperation and support of all the people of San Francisco, we will be once again the cleanest and greenest municipality in the province.